Just reviewing this small dash waffle maker. It's already plugged in. The cord is a decent length. When you first plug it in, it takes about 90 seconds to warm up. Once it warms up, this light here turns off. What we're going to do, I'm just going to take you through making one of these so you can see how it looks. I already made one. Took a little bite out of it. Hopefully I didn't put too much. Notice it depends on what kind of mix you use, how long it takes, how much to put on there. This is a relatively new mix, so not quite sure how long to judge it. Usually it takes 1 to 3 minutes. Like I said, there's the end result if you're kind of wondering about how it looks. I've also noticed some of the other mixes come out a little browner, some a little lighter, no matter how long you leave them in there. It really just depends on how well they brown. Tastes good, cooks quick. I use this with my girls. The kids really like it. They're 4 and 8, and they get to pour it on there. I don't know, they like it. It's pink and it's little, and they love it. Cleanup is easy. Like I said, it generally takes 2 to 4 minutes to cook one of these. For the sake of the review, I'm going to try to rush this along. Okay, see, it was in there for about a minute and a half. If it was me, which it is, I would personally put it in there for about another 1 minute. But then I just use a fork, get it out. It comes out really easy. Like I said, this one's softer than I would like, but I'm just rushing for the review. There you have it. There. Great. No mess besides the one I made by putting too much in there. And I would strongly recommend this, especially for the price. Can't beat it for the price.
So my review of the Dash Mini Maker Waffle. I unboxed it, everything was in order. Only issue that was with mine came with a scratch. The light is real dim, so it's really actually hard to see the light when it's done, when it's saying it's ready for you to add your batter. But it cooks really quick, cooks really good. I mean, I've made 3.5 tiers of the waffles. I actually did cinnamon waffles with powdered sugar icing, and so we'll see how it tastes. But I just did a simple batter, and then the icing was pre-packaged, and I just added warm butter to it so it go over. And this is what my creation was. So I would say the mini is very mighty, as it says on the side of the box. It came pre-packaged very well. Everything looked very well in it. And so here's my first creation of the mini waffle maker by Dash. So I will definitely have to give it 5 stars. I will use it again to make something different. So then I'll come back at that time to let you guys know how that was. And in the meantime, try it, see if you like it. Thumbs up, thumbs down. My review is thumbs up. Get her cooking out.